Welcome all. Today we are going to learn about the connections of an extension board. Extension board is a panel of switches and sockets which draw power from wall-mounted power socket and supply to the loads connected to the board. Here we are dealing with 6 amp power loads. So all the switches and sockets fixed on this front panel are of 240 volt 6 amp rating. Now let's move on to the wiring section. Here are the switches and here are the sockets. We use red colored wires for the phase and black colored wire for neutral and green colored wires for earth. These are the color codes accepted all across the nation. Now let me give you an overview of what you are going to connect on this board. This is a red wire which goes across the bottom pins of the switches available in the board, and this is a neutral wire which is a black colored wire which runs across the neutral pins of the sockets available in the board, and likewise the green wire which is earth wire which runs across the earth pins of the sockets available in the board. Here are the control wires which connect the top pole of the switch to the line pin of the socket. We have such 4 sections available in this particular board. So we have to get ready with 4 such wires. Now after running the wire to the respective pins, we have to connect the copper leads of the wire to the respective pins tightly without any scope for any loose contact. Now we have to repeat the same kind of procedure for the neutral wire as well as to the earthing wire, which is the green wire. Now you can see the connections which are being given here. Now the earthing wire, which is the green wire, is getting fixed to the earthing pins. After this, we are going to move on to the control wires. How we have to connect the control wires to the sockets and switches. Now we take the control wire and connect the top pin of the switch to one end of the wire and the line pin of the socket to the other end of the wire. We have to ensure that there are no extra projections from the wire which might touch the other wires. You have to bend the extra projections so that it is fixed to the pin tightly. Here is the finished version of the wiring. Now let us move on to the connections of extension wire to the front panel board of the extension board. See, we have the same colored wires here as well. Red color wire, black color wire and the green color wire. Now let us see how we connect the other end of the extension wire to the 3-pin plug which you are seeing now. Here is a 6 amps 3-pin plug. This is the earth pin and this is the neutral pin and this is the line pin, which is actually the phase. Now look here how we have connected the red, green and black wires. Now we have to fix it the top bit and make the plug intact. Now the 3-pin plug top is ready. Now you see the base plate of the gang box. So this is the base which goes to the wall, and upon this the front panel of the extension board is fixed with the screws. We have 8 points here, means this is a 8-way gang box. Now you see how we insert all the 3 wires of the other end of the extension wire into the base plate of the extension board, and we give a knot to all these wires so that it doesn't skip the portion of the board at any point of time. Now you see how the earth wire, that means the green wire, is connected to the front panel connections, and here is how it is connected. Now let's move on to the neutral connection also. This is how the neutral wire is connected to the already connected connections in the board. This is phase connection. So this is the final completed connection pattern of the whole extension board. I hope you enjoyed the whole session. Thank you.